This line of Jalaluddin Rumi gives me goosebumps whenever I read it. Its meaning is deep and it's true. When I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of stress and anxiety. When I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of stress and anxiety. If I sit in my own place of patience, what I need flows to me and without pain. If I sit in my own place of patience, what I need flows to me and without pain. From this I understand that what I want also want me, is looking for me and attracting me. From this I understand that what I want also wants me, is looking for me and attracting me. There is a great secret here for anyone who can grasp it. What I want also want me, is looking for me and is attracting me. That is a great secret here for anyone who can grasp it.